All right, we are changing out our expansion valve. There's our old one. That was a bit yucky inside, a little bit plugged up. But I had my hand over everything here. So I have a vacuum pump on here, and before, we weren't getting sucking through that. But now now we're sucking. So, anyway, old one's out, new one's gonna go in. We mentioned Michael Wave, the legendary Michael, the car salon, the man, the myth, the legend. You're guest starring on my YouTube channel now. Yeah, it's getting there. It's definitely growing. This is the detail maestro.
Do they respond to you?
Yes, sir.
Do they ask you questions?
I will put your number in this video here on the bottom. All right, back to the air. So we're gonna put our new one in, and then we will be charging. Easy enough. A couple O-rings, couple fittings, done deal.